Hello children, locating places on earth. Part 1. Locating places means we are explaining how and where the places are on the map or on the globe. Uh, it's a set of horizontal and vertical lines helps us in defining the location of a point. Similarly, earth also contains a set of imaginary horizontal and vertical lines to precisely define the position of each location. This grid system was created to locate all places on earth. We can do the same either through a 3D globe or a 2D map. We will deep dive to understand properties of each of the imaginary horizontal and vertical lines drawn on earth to finally be able to locate any place on the earth. Now we will read about features of the earth. Earth has two poles, one is the North Pole and the other is the South Pole. And earth rotates on its axis. What is an axis? An imaginary line running through the center of the earth and joins the north and the south pole. That is called axis of rotation. Now we'll read about globe. Globe is a miniature model form of earth. A needle is fixed through the globe in a tilted manner, which is called its axis. 2 points on the globe through which the needle passes are the two poles, North Pole and the South Pole, which we had discussed in the previous slide. The globe can be moved around this needle from west to east just as the earth moves on its imaginary axis. The globe is one way we can locate places on the earth. I hope you must have understood. Thank you so much.